Hello, my name is Giovanni Velasco, and today I'll be showing you how to multiply with I. Multiplying with I. Multiplying two complex numbers is accomplished in a manner similar to multiplying two binomials. You can use the distributive property, the FOIL method, or any other means of multiplying. Be sure to replace I squared with -1. Answer should always be in A plus BI form. Example, 5 plus 6i. Our first two examples will be solved using the distributive property. Example number 1. 3i times 5 plus 6i is equal to 15i plus 18i squared. Now remember to convert I squared into -1, which will give a result of 15i plus 18 times -1 equals 15i minus 18. Now remember to put your answer in A plus BI form equals -18 plus 59. There you go. That's the answer to example number 1. Example number 2. 12i times 10 plus 6i equals 120i plus 72i squared. Now remember to always convert I squared into -1, which is equal to 120i plus 72 times -1 equals 120i minus 72. Now remember to always put your answer in A plus BI form, which equals -72 plus 120i. Our last two examples will be solved using the FOIL method. Now remember, FOIL is first, outer, inner, last. Example number 3. 3 plus 4i times 5 plus 6i equals to 15 plus 18i plus 20i plus 24i squared. Now remember to combine like terms and convert I squared into -1, which is equal to 15 plus 38i plus 24 times -1 equals 15 plus 38i minus 24 equals -72 plus 120i. Now remember, this answer should always be in A plus BI form. Our last example. 1 plus I times 1 plus I is equal to 1 plus I plus I plus I squared. Remember to combine the like terms and convert I squared into -1 equals 1 plus 2i plus I squared equals 1 plus 2i minus 1, and your final answer is 2i. That is how you multiply with I. Thanks for watching.